Life has a myriad of problems, many ups and downs all through your life. But how you handle those problems means everything. Hi, I'm Diane. I'm wondering if you have inner peace, or do you get upset easily over most things? Is everything wrong in your life? I've been there. It may sound trite to say this, but you are the miracle of all of your problems. You are the miracle. If you're waiting on a miracle to solve your problems, it's going to be you. And you thinking, shut up, lady. You don't know anything. You have no idea what I'm going through. Maybe. But maybe I do. I have been through 2 divorces. I've lost 3 homes. I've been hungry. I've been without a place to live. I've been without a car. I've had my water and my electrical turned off many times. I've been cut off from the world, meaning that I had no car and no telephone. And you have to remember, during all of this, I had 4 children trailing behind me. So what I went through, they went through. And the most devastating thing I've ever been through is I lost a grandchild, 15-year-old grandchild, killed by a drunk driver. Useless act. It shouldn't have happened. It's just ridiculous. So, I've been through some things. Things are hard right now for a lot of people, and I know that. I'm not making light of anything here. I understand. I know what many of you are going through. But if you're waiting on someone to knock on your door, you answer the door and they go, "Hey, I'm here to give you a miracle. Are you ready?" No, that's not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. You're going to have to be your own miracle. You're going to have to figure it out. I know that you're still thinking, you have no idea. I don't have food. I've been there. I didn't have food either. I understand. But you do have the ability within you to save yourself. It's true. It's true. I was watching a video a few days ago, and this lovely 80-year-old woman was on there. She was being interviewed, and she was talking about her life and all the things that she went through. And she said she envisioned herself in a rowboat, and she was using her oars to propel herself to the other side. And she said if it took a long time, I just kept rowing, trying to get to the other side. And I thought, how beautiful is that? And that's what we all should be doing. Just striving to get to the other side. That's what I've done. And you're probably saying, yeah, but I don't even have any oars. Yes, you do. You are the oars also. You're the boat and the oars. You have to keep pushing yourself, trusting yourself, believing in yourself that you can figure it all out. It takes action. You actually have to do things to propel yourself to the other side. I've done it. No matter how tired I was, I kept on rowing. I just kept on. I never gave up. I never turned my mind off. I didn't get drunk and go to bed. No, I stayed awake and alert and was thinking the whole time. I had 4 children that were depending on me. And finally, through many hardships, I made it to the other side. Many, many, many times I made it to the other side. That's what you have to do. I thought my way through and executed my thought toward the other side. I'm proof. I'm proof that you can do it. I'm proof. I only know what I know. And I don't have all the answers. I do not. I'm not trying to sit here and act like I know everything and I'm telling you what to do with your problem and I have no idea what your problem is. All I'm saying, Chloe, sorry, car, Chloe, no. I just want to caution you to think about this. Sometimes you can see the writing on the wall before it happens. You know it's coming. Start working that miracle process before it happens. How about that intuition that God gave us? It's a little heads up in life. Here it comes. Okay, I'm trying to prepare myself for it. You can change your mindset to be your own best advocate. Yeah, think through everything. Take action. Just remember, you are the miracle of your life. Your whole life depends on you. Keep rowing, guys. I love you.